Hey there, friends, family, and neighbors. It's Mr. Rogers, your neighborhood car guy, here at McConnell Chevrolet here in Healdsburg. Wanted to go over this 2018 Volt Premier that we have. Beautiful white. It's got the premium wheels. Come around. It does have the front parking sensors. As you see those little dots there in the bumper. Does have the red sticker still on it. This does have the proximity keys. Press the little button here, unlocks and locks the vehicle. It does have the two-tone interior, the lighter caramel and black interior. Usually you find the black interior on these. Being the loaded Premier, you do have the heated seats there in the back. Those seats will fold down, just like that, to give you more cargo room. Come back around. You do have the camera, and you do have the parking sensors there in the back bumper as well. The rear camera's right here, so even if you have the hatch up because you have something hanging out the back, you can still use the backup camera. Plenty of cargo room there. It does have the Bose surround sound. We'll go over that in a second. It's got the nice subwoofer back there. We'll go over some of the options. Now, as you see right there, that is the sensors for the forward collision alert. Let's get in here, stop the ding. So as you can see, that was the Bose there on the speaker. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Come up here, you have the cruise control with the forward collision alert, lane keep, heated steering wheel, parking sensors, and then self-parallel parker. Heated seats in the front. Touchscreen radio. Does have the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Built-in navigation. Different apps there. You can text using the MyLink. It does have the OnStar. Plenty of options to go over. Very safe car. Does run off of gasoline and plug-in. Get to about 40 to 45 miles on the plug-in. Then the gas generator creates electricity to keep the batteries charged enough to keep you moving. USBs. Beautiful car inside and out. Come check us out here at 1395 Healdsburg Avenue, Healdsburg, California. McConnell Chevrolet. It's your neighborhood car guy. It's always a beautiful day in my neighborhood.